So in our constitution there is part 3 and part 4. So part 3 is about fundamental rights and part 4 is about DPSP, directive principles of state policy. It's basically the direction given to the state that this are the things you have to do for the state, for the people. And in fundamental rights some provisions are there that that seems to be directive principles, but like in fundamental rights they are the compulsory provisions, compulsory act that has to be done, that has to be enforced by the law, by the administrative, by the policy maker. But some provisions are there that has to be that seems to be in like DPSP, and some provisions in DPSP is not a compulsory. Obviously the policy makers are what? Politicians are the policy makers, na? So in DPSP we have not make it compulsory to act on that provisions, like building proper infrastructure for the students, and there are various examples. As of now I am not able to remember. There are various provisions. Later on I will get back to you on that with the specific. I will specify all the provisions what's need to be, but there are certain that I think that if you are putting those provisions, those articles on under the part 3, that is fundamental rights, then it has to be compulsory, that it has to be, and the people should go to the court for their rights. But there are some amendments, some that slightly there is a discrimination between the peoples on the basis of caste. So, and when we are discriminating on basis of that, immediately we are also creating difference between the people, in the mind of the people, that okay, they are from upper caste, they are from lower caste, they are from this middle, there is nothing middle, there is nothing middle in between. There is upper, there is lower, and by imposing such provisions and writing those things, yes, there are things that has wrong things that has been done in the past, but it needs something more intellectual, more with logic to clear those things, to clear those discrimination between the people. It doesn't need okay, I will for this for Muslim, for all the for say some religion, for say some caste, it has to be done in a certain way, and others what? They are not a citizen or what? So by imposing, by writing those lines, create the difference. And the motto of our constitution is to reduce the discrimination, is to